Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 headphones echo issue fix. First method is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Right-click speaker, click Properties, click Enhancements tab, check Disable all enhancements. Click Advanced tab, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Second method is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Click Recording tab, right-click Microphone, click Properties, click Listen tab, uncheck Listen to this device. Click Advanced tab, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.